The Mamata government has put out a statement with regards to the manhandling of a Sikh by the West Bengal police during the protest on October 8th. The state government's Home Department has said, and I quote, Sikh brothers and sisters live in harmony in West Bengal, accused arrested with illegal firearm during violent protest. It further adds that one political party is trying to gain mileage out of the incident. So you've got the government firmly standing behind the police in this incident. Manogya Loiwal is joining us with more details on this. Manogya, with regards to what really happened with the Sikh man, when he spoke, he said that he was a bodyguard, he had the license for his gun, but going by what the Home Department has said, they're maintaining it was an illegal gun.
Well, absolutely. The firearms have been in question, and that's the reason why he was arrested. But the question was on the handling of the Sikh who was there in the protest and happened to be a security guard of a local BJP leader. Besides all this, the question was being raised on the kind of handling of his hair, the way his hair was pulled up and then he was taken into custody. That was the big question that everyone, including the political parties, had been asking. The government of West Bengal has clearly stated they stand by the way of policing. The government of West Bengal's Home Department has tweeted just a while ago and has clarified that we stand by what has happened. As far as the harmony is concerned, it has been and will always be maintained in the state like it has been done in the past also. Remember, it's not just about the protest but also the delegation now that has arrived with Manjit Singh Sirsa from Delhi to take a complete idea on ground on what exactly happened. And the recent development is that Balwinder Singh was to be produced in the court yesterday.
Okay.
However, he has been produced today. That means, apologies, he was supposed to be produced on Monday, that's tomorrow, and now has been produced today. That is already one day in advance. So that itself shows on whether these pressure tactics have been leading to such kind of measures by the government this time.
All right, Manogya, thank you for those details.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.